mistress, fellow Toastmasters and a guest. The peacock does not normally like the clock. That job is left to the rooster. The rooster crows in the morning to wake us up, and the peacock gets upset because it likes to sleep in the mornings, and it doesn't like being disturbed by the rooster's crowing. He's too busy snuggled up to the peahen, and he likes it there. So one night, when it's all dark and there's nobody about, there's no ducks, no chickens, no quail, no hens and roosters. They're all asleep, so the rooster can wake them up early. So what does the peacock do? He sneaks into where the clock is, and he very carefully puts the clock back 2 hours. So he thinks he's going to get a sleep in the morning, because when the rooster gets up and looks at the time, oh, I've woken up early, I've still got 2 hours, the rooster will go back to sleep, and everybody in the farmyard will have a wonderful 2-hour sleeping, thanks to the peacock putting the clock back and fooling the rooster. Madam Tabletop explains.